Hi guys, and welcome to Miami. Honestly, it's no surprise I'm here again because this is kind of like turned into a second home at this point. But I did a New York shop with me and showed you guys a bunch of cool stores that you like to hear about on Instagram, online, all that kind of good stuff. And I figured, you know what, Miami has so much to offer in terms of food, shopping, all that good stuff, thrifting, of course. I'm gonna show you guys some of my favorite spots. They're all gonna be linked down below. We're gonna do some shopping, hopefully not too much excessive spending, but when I'm on vacation just puts me in the mood. So stay tuned and let's get to stop number one. We are in the design district of Miami. First stop on this cool store tour is Chrome Hearts. A lot of you have probably heard of Chrome Hearts from like Bella Hadid lately. It's good thrift spo. I don't think we're gonna be purchasing anything in here today. I'm gonna try and show you guys as much of the store as possible because it's gonna be good.
Chrome Hearts garden.
Beautiful. So there's cats, apparently. We did not buy anything. I'll insert the photos. I'm so very sad. Cool experience. And they don't actually ever list anything online, so it's kind of hard to like actually know what they sell unless you see it on Bella Hadid's body. So that was very cool. Really tempted about those sunglasses, but we're $1,000 richer now, so, or less poor. It's great. On to the next bougie, expensive store where we probably can't afford anything. Oh, are we gonna do it? I'm too scared to touch anything, but that is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Look at it! Oh. Packing nothing in my Chanel suitcase video. Okay, let me show you guys something really cool. A lot of these stores in the design district have like their own little patios and stuff like that, and some of them even have coffee shops. Stay tuned for that in a moment, but look how freaking cute and peaceful that is. You're off to Flight Club, which is a sneakerhead's dream. Hopefully I don't buy a pair of sneakers. This is gonna be the most boring shop with me ever because I'm just putting things on my wish list for my birthday. And maybe we'll check out Reformation because we're here. Yeah. I like to see what it's like in different countries because honestly, it can be different everywhere, so. Let's go. Thank you. Wish list activated. On to Reformation. This is so good.
Oh my god, that feels so nice.
I usually don't like shirts, but this one though, I think I like it. So I'm in love with this, but I'm thinking if I get black, it will be more versatile because the pants will look less like sweatpants instead of the scallop, and more like regular pants so I can wear them with that shirt. I wish you guys could feel this, it's so soft. Alright guys, so this is round two. Haha, literally. Dad jokes on point. We're in South Beach today. We got Kith on the list, we got round two on the list, hence my poor bad dad joke before. So round two is a vintage store, but also they have like a store where they sell like hypey sneakers and stuff like that and their own merch. And across the street you have the vintage store.
Working woman Barbie.
Spice Girl is this.
Oh yeah, the Spice Girl.
Wait, I think I have that. They have cool stuff in there. Honestly, some things aren't that expensive, so I definitely go to the vintage store if you guys are looking for vintage versus like over there where it's like really hypey hype. They're headed to Kith. I've actually never been to a Kith. You guys have probably heard of it before. It's nothing like too unheard of, but there's a couple things online that I really want to get. So RIP, this might be the point of the video where we have a tiny bit of a haul. Oh, that's okay. for those days, you know, for a long time, but honestly, it's been really hard to find the perfect pair. But I think I just got them, guys. I'm trying to control my bougie spending when I'm away on these trips, but these are something I've been looking for, so I think they were worth it. Ooh, good morning. Sadly, it is our last day in Miami, but we're back to WYNWOOD, which is like my favorite freaking spot. There's so many cool stores here. Today, we're actually just gonna go to the Levi's house, which is like a pop-up, so I'm gonna put when it ends here on the screen because I think it's gonna be really cool. And I want to show you guys, for those of you that are coming for like spring break and stuff like that, hopefully it'll still be open. Hi guys! Is this the vintage stuff over here?
Yes, vintage.
Wow. Ooh, look at these. Alrighty guys, these are the ribcage wide leg. If you saw my last video, I put rib cages in them and you guys loved them, so I thought I'd try on another pair. Ooh, and these are cool. They're so comfy, let me tell you, they feel like a freaking sweater. These are the high hoops. These are really high. They're like hard rib cages, which I don't know if I like it.
Oh, these are so nice though.
These are very 90s fit, dad jean kind of.
I don't even know, like they're...
Oh, but dad jean, but make it cute. They have the rib cage. So the rib cage is one of them.
So yeah, the rib cage is a high waist, wide leg.
We'll do that. So these are the normal rib cages, kind of like what I have in my video, but with no distressing. But you can do custom distressing and patches and laser printing. So crazy. I think I'm gonna do it.
So everything up top is the laser, the wear and tear. You could dye them a different color, and then this is the patch on the back. And then you can spin her around. We just dropped these 3 yesterday.
Yes. Guys, I'm so excited, but now I have to wait for them and I have to ship them here, and I don't know when I'm gonna get them, but stay tuned for that because there will be a grand reveal for sure. I have some exciting news. So I got my custom jeans. They did have to mail them to me, but it was totally worth the wait. I think they turned out so freaking cool. So just in case I didn't really explain it properly, you can go there, you can bring your own pair of jeans, you can just replace the button, the tab, the back patch, whatever it might be. So you can pay individually for that. But I decided to go full force because I didn't have a pair of Levi's with me, unfortunately, and purchased the rib cage. These ones are amazing. I love the wash of them. And as you guys will see on, I actually went for the tie-dye laser print. So this is all done by a laser. It's amazing. You guys can read more about it online, and they do the distressing as well. So what you guys saw me try on in the change room is now this lovely pair of custom Sarah Dunk jeans with the pink back patch. I think I'm actually gonna go back and change the button to be pink and the little tab to be pink as well, because you can do that. I just didn't realize at the time because I was a little bit overwhelmed. But if you guys want to see that whole full transformation, I'll definitely be posting a photo on my Instagram. And I just think they're the coolest jeans that I own now officially in my wardrobe. So I'll definitely have the regular ribcage style linked down below for you guys if you want to get crafty at home and try this. If you're in Miami, 100% go to the Levi's house. It was so cool. And I'm just gonna wrap this video up by showing you guys a couple clips at the WYNWOOD like kind of flea market. I'm not sure of the exact name, but I actually got some really cool jewelry pieces there in the past. This little ring that you guys ask about a lot on Instagram was purchased there, and I purchased a ring last time, but it's too big so I don't wear it anymore. So here are those clips, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.